welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going ahead and open this troll playset, and I usually found it at Toy Kingdom, and usually it's so beautiful because look, there's Poppy over there. Oh, I never ever have a troll toys before, so this is a troll playset before. It's called usually, let me see the front. It says Poppy's Styling Pod. So it's so fun, and look at in the back. You could see there's some hairs here because this is our wigs, and there's some hair accessories here, and over here is a mirror that opens up, and this is the front. It looks like, so there's Poppy over there, so we have 12 accessories. So I'm going ahead and open it. So I'm going ahead and open it here. So there's tapes, but I'm trying to open it. So hard with the tape. Oh, I forgot to show you. There's Poppy over here. This is so horrible that I cannot open it. Okay. I'm guessing because of the top, I need to take off the tape. So I'm gonna take it off. Here you go. So we just need to do this. So I'm going ahead and like peel it off here. There you go. Where it's removed. Okay, I'm gonna use my nails. So hard. I'm gonna try all of my best just to take off this. These are so boring. Sorry, I just like cut the video. So back to the video. Okay. So there's more tape. Oh, thank goodness. Ta-da! The Poppy is here. So here you go. So this is all of the things too. Look at that. Oh, what in the world? This is so funny. This is a hair. Oh man. So I'm going ahead and get the scissors. Wait. I'm gonna do. Here you go. So always ask a parent to like use these because they're so sharp. Okay, and more here. Oh my. Oh. Horrible, there's even to Poppy. Oh my, I don't want to do it because Poppy have real hair. Oh my, I'm not gonna do it.